In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gmail contacts group. This is a handy way to organize your contacts, making it easy to send group emails quickly without the hassle of typing out every email address individually each time you want to connect with a group of people. To start, open your web browser and go to your Gmail account. This can be done by logging in through gmail.com. Once you're in your inbox, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll notice several icons here, but the one you're looking for looks like a grid or a square of dots. This is the Google Apps menu. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu that displays various Google applications. In this drop-down menu, find and click on Contacts. Selecting Contacts will lead you to a dedicated page where all of your Gmail contacts are stored. If this is your first time accessing Gmail contacts via this method, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. You'll notice there's a menu on the left-hand side with various sections, including Contacts, Frequently Contacted, and Labels. Now, to begin creating your new group, also known as a label, look to the left menu once again and find the Create Label option. Click on it, and a small dialog box will appear asking you to name your new label. This name should reflect the purpose of the group, such as book club or project team, as it will help you identify the group later on. After entering the name, click Save. Next, it's time to add contacts to your newly created group. Return to your main contacts list, which should now be visible on your screen. Here, you can add people individually to your group. To do this, find a contact you want to include and hover over their name until you see a checkbox appear beside it. Click this box to select the contact. Repeat this process for each person you want to include in your new group. Once you've selected all the desired contacts, look towards the top of the page. You'll find a label icon. It looks like a gift tag with a little down arrow alongside it. Click on this icon, and a list of your labels, including the one you just created, will appear. Check the box next to your new label to add all the selected contacts to the group. Congratulations! You've successfully created a Gmail contacts group and populated it with members, making communication vastly more efficient. Now, anytime you compose an email and wish to send it to this group, simply start typing the label name in the recipient field, and Gmail will populate the field with all the email addresses affiliated with that group. I hope this guide helps streamline your communication tasks and saves you valuable time. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.